In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dismiss an employee in Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper admin permissions, since access to employee status changes is typically restricted. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard and ready to begin. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This is where Gusto stores your team member profiles and employment information. Opening this section will let you locate the employee record you need to update. Next, select the employee you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you've opened the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple employees with similar names or roles. It's always worth double-checking before making a status change like this. Once you're inside the employee's profile, navigate to the Work section. This area contains the employee's job-related details, including status and employment actions. You may need to scroll a little depending on how the page is laid out. In the Work section, find the Work Information card and click Dismiss. This starts the dismissal workflow in Gusto. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're in the correct employee profile and that you're viewing the Work tab rather than another section. After that, enter the required dismissal details. This usually includes the employee's last working day, the reason for dismissal, and any additional details the system asks for. Be careful when filling this out, because these details can affect payroll records, reporting, and documentation. It's best to use accurate and finalized information before moving forward. When everything is entered, continue through the workflow and review the information carefully. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before the dismissal is processed. Pay close attention to dates and the dismissal reason, since those are especially important. On the final confirmation page, review all the dismissal details shown on the screen. Make sure everything matches what you intend to submit. If something looks off, go back and correct it before completing the action. When you're ready, click Dismiss Employee to finish the process. At that point, the employee's status will be updated in Gusto. After the dismissal is complete, the employee record will be moved to the Dismissed Team Member section. To verify that everything went through correctly, go to People, then Dismissed, and confirm that the employee appears in the Dismissed Employees list. That's it. You've successfully dismissed an employee in Gusto and verified that their record has been updated. Thanks for watching.